Getting rid of different fees is an important part of travel hacking and flying using miles instead of using cash. After all, what's the point of flying using miles if you're going to end up paying a whole bunch of fees in the process? Credit card companies make money through fees in a wide range of different ways. They make money from annual fees, they make money from foreign transaction fees, they make money from late fees, etc. In this section, we're going to talk about how you can eliminate all these different fees so that you can execute this system for free. Let's start with the number one rule. This is the golden rule to travel hacking. And the number one rule is this: always pay off your balances. Credit cards can be a double-edged sword, and millions of Americans have been cut by the edge of that blade. Remember that credit card companies are really smart. They have statisticians, economists, etc. with PhDs working on algorithms. They know that statistically, if they're giving away these free miles, some percentage of the people who get those credit cards are going to fall in debt and end up paying interest. For this system to be worth it for you, you must not be paying monthly interest payments. Most of these credit cards that we're getting have interest rates anywhere between 15% to 30%, so you're going to pay a lot of money if you're carrying a balance between months. In other words, if you start carrying a balance, it will completely destroy any money that you're saving from these flights that you're earning through miles, and it'll start a downward spiral. More debt leads to more debt. So whatever you do, do not carry a balance from month to month. Start thinking of these credit cards as less like credit cards and more like debit cards. Don't think that you can make a big purchase such as a TV, a sofa, an Xbox, etc. and just pay it off over a few months. Instead, just think of this credit card as something that you have to pay off every month, and it's just like your debit card. You're spending money that you already have, and you're not going to spend more money than you can afford. Our goal is to be smart and to be in the small percentage of people who come out ahead in this credit card game, so that you're able to actually take free flights, travel all over the world, and not pay interest fees and not fall into debt. So the golden rule here really is: do not carry a balance between months. And the best way to do this is to go into your credit card portal and set up a monthly payment for the full amount of your statement. In other words, your bank will automatically pay off your credit card statement before you get charged any interest. This might not seem like something that you need to do in the beginning, and when you only have 2 or 3 cards, it's really not a big deal. But when you get to the point where you have a whole bunch of credit cards, managing all of these at the same time will be a lot more difficult. So just knowing that everything's already taken care of, all the systems to pay things off is already taken care of, and it's all automated, can really save you a lot of energy. So make sure that you have that set up. It only takes about 5 minutes. Go into your online banking, set up an automatic payment for your credit card so that it's paid off every single month. The only exception to this is if you're planning on doing new credit card applications, you want to start logging into your online banking more frequently and actually paying that bill down, possibly even once a week, so that when your statement balance closes, your utilization rate is below 10%. So this is the golden rule. Never carry a balance, and set up an automatic payment for the full amount of your statement so that you are never even tempted to carry a balance from month to month.